Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone keyboard lagging after iOS 18.2 update. But first, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. After updating my phone to iOS 18.2, I noticed something unexpected. The keyboard started lagging, typing out text or notes felt slow and unresponsive, which was frustrating, especially when typing longer sentences. The keyboard would even freeze up entirely. If you are dealing with the same issue, don't worry. I have tried a few fixes that have helped me, so let's go through them together. So the first step is restart your iPhone. To restart your iPhone, press quickly and release the volume up button, and same with the volume down button, and press the power button until the slide to power option shows up. Slide it off, wait a few seconds and turn it back on. And you are done with the first step. And the next step is remove or re-add keyboards. For this, go to Settings, go to General, scroll down, go to Keyboard, tap on Keyboards. After tapping on Keyboards, you'll see the list of all the ones you have enabled. Swipe left on each keyboard to remove it. You can also add new keyboards by tapping on Add New Keyboard. You can choose from other iPhone keyboards. And you are done. So for the next fix, I'll tell you how to switch to Dvorak then back to QWERTY. This trick worked surprisingly. Switching the keyboard layout to Dvorak and then back to QWERTY seemed to reset something in the keyboard settings and help with the lag. For this, go to Settings, go to General, go to Keyboard, tap on Keyboards, select your current keyboard, then choose Dvorak. After a few seconds, switch back to QWERTY and you are done. When I tried this, the keyboard responsiveness noticeably improved. So in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to disable predictive text. If you are still experiencing lag, disabling predictive text can be another helpful fix. Sometimes the predictive text feature can slow things down, especially if it's struggling to keep up with my typing speed. For this, go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Keyboard, toggle off the predictive text button, and you're done. So in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to reset keyboard dictionary. If the lag persists, try resetting the keyboard dictionary. Go to Settings, go to General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary, enter your passcode if prompted, then confirm, and you are done. Now I'm going to tell you how to upgrade to the latest version of iOS 18. Apple frequently releases updates that address bugs and improve performance. To check for updates, go to Settings, go to General, go to Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and install. After uploading, I found that my keyboard performance improved significantly, and you are done. So the next step is free up storage space. Having insufficient storage can affect your device performance, including keyboard responsiveness. For this, go to Settings, tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, review your apps and files, and delete any that you no longer need, and you are done. Now I'm going to tell you how to reset all settings. If the lag continues, resetting all settings can sometimes do the trick. This won't erase your data, but it will reset preferences like Wi-Fi passwords and wallpaper settings. For this, go to Settings, tap on General, scroll down, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, tap on Reset All Settings, enter your passcode, and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix keyboard lagging after iOS 18.2 update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.